Hello everyone, this is Marianne with Simply Beautiful Cakes. I just wanted to show you this beautiful cake that I just did actually. I hope everybody likes it. It is in fondant. Turn it a little bit. And it is a display cake that I'm doing for a fundraiser for a school. And they wanted me to do a fancy fundraiser kind of cake that is kind of the center of attraction for their dessert table. And so it's going to have color on it as well. It's going to have more flowers on it. But I just wanted to show you the cake. And it's really styrofoam underneath. And it's fondant. And I just wrapped it around and just basically did a little, you know, ribbons or ruffles. It looks like ruffles. So I thought you would be interested in seeing that. I basically rolled out my fondant. It's right here. This is the fondant. It's homemade fondant. I rolled it out here. Kind of rolled it out. And then I used my KitchenAid pasta roller at a number 1. And then I laid it down and I used my cutter and I just randomly cut pieces with edible glue. There's some places here, because I just finished it, that want to keep falling down beyond what I want it to, so I've glued it here. I'm trying to show you. I've glued it a little bit here. So it has to kind of dry. And then I put this little band around the bottom of the cake. And this is what it looks like. And then these are flowers that I've made actually out of gum paste. And I'm going to make a couple of different ones. These aren't the only flowers that are going to be on here. Isn't that pretty? And I hand make these out of gum paste. We'll go over that one of these days, how I make those. But they take about 2 hours to make. And so I'm going to do more flowers for up here, and I am going to brush color on the edges of this. And it's definitely a ruffled cake, isn't it? Definitely. Okay, well, that's all I wanted to show you. I just got it done this afternoon. All right, well, be safe out there, and come back and visit me another time for my videos. Don't forget to like me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.